Hi class! I just want to welcome you to Human Sexuality for the fall semester at COM for 2019. I'm Susan Rahman. I am your teacher. So I thought I would just give you a little message, kind of walk you through the modules and the course shell so that you can kind of see what it's going to look like. If you've never taken an online class before, I'd ask you to do some sort of self-assessment, which is available to you in, I have a link to it set up in the first module, so you're able to access that right away. But in terms of the content, human sexuality is an interdisciplinary class. So I am classically a sociologist, but I also have an interdisciplinary PhD. So we're going to look at this topic kind of from a different, multiple lenses, I would say: psychological, sociological, anthropological, those kinds of lenses, and kind of look at human sexuality as a social construct and how we kind of create this idea of what it means to be a sexual being. We're all sexual in one way or another. And how that manifests is definitely influenced by the larger society. You're going to think about your own experiences with your own sexuality, and you're going to get to do a lot of self-reflection in this class that is completely up to you in terms of how much or how little you want to share, because I know that in our culture we have a big taboo about talking about sex. So we're going to call that out a little bit over the course of the semester. There's problems with this genderbread person because of the author, and you can do a little research on that if you're interested, but it is a visual that kind of calls out the binary of human sexuality, and so I invite you to peek at it. We'll revisit it later in the semester. But basically, when you get into your shell, which I'm sure is open. I know it's open, and I'm not sure how many of you have peeked at it, but I can go look and see how many of you have peeked at it. But you don't have to peek at it yet. It's totally up to you. If you're still enjoying summer, right on. But when you get in, I want you to just be mindful of the first module. I'm going to put this on student view so I can see the same thing that you can see, so that we're on the same page. So basically, yeah, you can't get into those things yet. But what you can do is you can start here. And what I want you to do is look at the welcome, and I want you to be mindful of this, okay? So an online class, for those of you that haven't taken online classes before, the deal is that because we're not meeting face-to-face, the discussion forums are like a large portion of your grade. And we're all supposed to be talking basically at the same time. And that's how this gets legitimized. If you're new to online learning and you're like, well, how does this work? Whatever. So we all have to be, we don't have to be there on the same exact moment, but we have to be working through the modules at the same time frame. So every module is going to be due Sunday night at 11:59, and there's always going to be a discussion forum. And the discussion guidelines are right here, and so these are all I'm asking you to read. So you're going to have to go in and do this. It's part of your grade. So you're gonna go in, and it's on your to-do list basically. So you're gonna read this, and you're gonna see what the discussion guidelines are. All discussions are an original post based on the question. Okay, so you have to read the question. You have to read the content to be able to answer the question, and the content is in each module. So all the reading's in there. I'll go through that in a minute. And then you have to reply to 2 classmates. And the replies have to be thoughtful. You can't just put like, yeah, me too. You have to kind of listen to what they're saying and then provide feedback. And then in terms of respect and politeness, that's all in here too. Human sexuality is one of those topics that definitely can get people stirred up, right? I mean, it's personal. There's political stuff around our sexuality. There's all sorts of stuff going on in terms of the realm. So as we're sharing, as we're posting, as we're having conversations, be mindful of your words, okay? The written form is so different than the face-to-face form. Like as I'm talking to you now, you can see my face. You can get the intonation of my voice. But in a written thing, sometimes it can come across as not what you intended. So use your words carefully. Proofread. An email or a discussion post or any of that is you sending your message out there. How do you want it to be perceived? And it's a permanent record, so be mindful of that. Okay, I'll stop on that. And then you have in here, you also have an orientation and to-do list, and I'll just ask you to click on that and to do it, right? And then here is your textbook. So I've created a reader with the help of a former student a couple years ago, and it's free. So my class is part of the Zero Textbook Cost program, and so you don't have to buy the book. You don't have to, there's nothing to buy. All the content is provided at zero cost because I am adamantly convinced that the textbook industry is a scam, and you pay too much, and I can create something for free with resources that are already open and out there available. So please use this book, share it with people, copy it, do whatever you want. It's free, it's copyable. If you need a hard copy, you're gonna have to print it because I didn't print it for you because I'm trying to save trees. Okay, so that's the book, and let's see, what else do I want to show you? I want to talk to you about service learning. Okay, so service learning is a really, really, really cool opportunity that a lot of people don't know about. It is a class that I'm teaching on Wednesdays at 3:10 in AC 237, and basically what you do is you spend that class period with me every Wednesday, and then you work over the course of the semester 60 hours in a social service placement in the Bay Area. Mostly Marin County is where I have most of the placements, but like one of the placements is the SPAR Center, which is the LGBT Center in Marin County. I have stuff with Canal Alliance. I have stuff with local agencies. I also have stuff that can be done remotely. So if any of you are interested in taking service learning, please email me or just go in and add the class. It's right here. And I guess that's about it, but it's a great class, great class, always very small, which makes it very intimate, so we get to know each other, and you get to explore something that you probably wouldn't have explored otherwise, and you get units for it. Sometimes it leads to a job. Pretty awesome. All right, and then what else do I want to show you? Okay, your syllabus. Oh, this is your discussion. So this is the first discussion that I'm going to have you answer questions about. And so it's locked. You can't answer it yet. Sorry. Oh, don't hate me. It's going to open on the 19th. Basically, it's a meet and greet, so you don't have to have read anything. Okay, so just be mindful of that. And then the last thing is the syllabus. And let's see. Yes, you can access the syllabus. So everything that we go through in modules, like every assignment, every what's due, is all listed in here. So if you're like, but I really want to know what we're doing on August or October 15th, Susan, I want you to open the module. I'll say, no, I'm not going to open the module, but you can go here and you can see what's happening. So the syllabus has everything that you're going to need, okay? That's probably enough for today. I don't want to overwhelm you, but welcome. And please, please, please email me if you have any questions, if you have any concerns. I'm going to be on campus Tuesdays and Wednesdays this semester, so I can meet with you in person if you want, or if you, now you see my face, if you see me on campus and I don't know what you look like yet, come up to me and say, hi, Susan, I'm in your human sexuality class, and then I'll be delighted to meet you and say hello. Yeah. And that's it. So again, welcome. I hope, go have some summer for a few more days though, because I certainly am. It's like 1,000,000 degrees and I just don't have the school mode in yet. So enjoy. But just know that you are set for this class. If you're getting this video, you got everything you need. If you have access to Canvas, you don't need anything else. All right. Welcome. I look forward to working with you.